Congratulations, another show, another lead role.
Salamat po.
How does it feel na this year has been good to you? Great. January pa lang.
January has been very busy, and all I can say to that is I'm thankful that it's busy. That's good problem, and salamat talaga sa nagkumagabay sa akin, my managers, my management Cornerstone, GMA Sparkle Artist Center, the bosses, and to the network for trusting me.
And then, kalabti mo ngayon si Jillian. Did you audition for this or handpick?
It was actually a meeting lang that we were chosen to be partnered, and for me I'm honored because siguro yung naging partnership namin sa Abot was a test, and I really didn't expect anything of it. I was just excited to work in Abot Kamay, and they saw something, and I'm happy that we're now officially partnered.
We can see, napanood na namin yung full trailer and all that. May chemistry talaga.
Totoo ba?
Yes,
talaga.
kitang-kita namin yung kilig. Fresh siya, and then hopefully maging successful, di ba? Yun naman ina-aim natin, have a high rate. And nag-trending yung parang picture mo sa Showtime, kay picture ni Jericho Rosales. Hawig mo daw. Ayan. Anong reaction mo doon? Siyempre moreno din. Parang...
Well, actually, yung name ko is Michael Jericho Sager. So Jericho talaga ako, and one time nagkita kami sa Vogue event na si Jericho Rosales was there, and sabi ko, hello po, ako pa si Jericho. Idol yun eh, napanood sa TV before, and he's one of the matinee idols that I really look up to, and hopefully one day follow the steps of, right? So the fact na nag-trending siya, joke lang namin yun na sabi ko kay Jill, alam mo na dito sa wall ng ABS? Sabi niya, where? Sabi ko, tara. Sabi ko,
yes, we saw that on your Instagram. Tapos, working with Jillian, kamusta naman this time?
Well, working with Jillian is simply a blessing kasi ang bait niya eh. I mean, feeling the people who get to work with her are lucky kasi Jillian Ward is very helpful, very kind-hearted, and very lovable.
Ito, artista na ina-idolize mo or nilo-look up mo?
Yeah, artista na idolize ko siguro si John Lloyd Cruz. For this show specifically, I rewatched his scenes in his movies because iba yung titigan niya pag rom-com, and alam naman natin na JLC is mahusay pagdating sa actingan. So yeah, yun po naging idol ako dito.
And then grabe din talaga yung growth mo because you're being named as Kapuso Primetime Heartthrob.
Grabe yun. Alam mo nung sinabi ko rin parang, kinilig ako kasi sabi ko, that's such a dream come true, and it really hasn't sunk in at all, and I don't think of myself like that. I just think of myself as a starter, as a rookie, someone who's still learning, and I'm really still learning and lots to improve on pa, but I'm happy that I'm getting recognized.
Aning mas okay for you, yung magandang material na project or winning a Best Actor?
I think an award is great, but to be in a nice project is even better kasi for me, in my projects, all of them are my families. Sa director, sa prod, sa crew, sa staff. Kasi nga, we see them every day, and yung cast din, iba yung bonds namin eh. So, even as a Shining, parang nasepangs ako nung wala na kaming taping kasi grabe, I enjoyed the time we had together, and yeah, so of course I would love to win an award, but a good show is always the best.
Ito, maraming netizens yung mga tanong, kamusta ang puso mo?
Kamusta ang puso na ko? My heart is happy, of course. It should be kasi I'm very grateful na, and slowly I'm finding the right people to be with, mga friends, mga family, and of course, my long girl, sabi nga nila, my heart beats in Iloilo.
Ito, maraming nagtatanong, single or taken daw ba si Michael Sager?
Ako, si Michael Sager is just single and just exploring. I mean, siguro wag exploring. Siguro Michael is just open, but it's not his priorities right now. I just want to focus on my work and do it.
Maraming kinilig dun sa post mo na greet with sa Kambal, no? Grabe.
Sorry.
Kina Cassie and Mav.
Cassie and Mav. Well, Cassie and Mav are talagang family ko na dito sa Pilipinas. There are very few of my friends lang, and they're special.
Ayan.
Hey, mabuhay dito ako. Ayan. Bago sa inyong dalawa, question first to the creative team. Can you tell us about more the concept behind this My Ilonggo Girl, and are there specific stories that inspired you to come up with this teleserye?
Thank you for the question. So, would you like to answer, Erwin? Because Erwin Bravo is our head writer.
Ay, hello po. Yung My Ilonggo Girl po is matagal na po itong concept, pero even before po, ang goal po namin dito is ma-showcase po yung Iloilo. So yun po, yung culture and heritage ng Iloilo. And of course, gusto po namin gumawa ng teleserye para sa masa. So definitely yung story po nito is familiar, relatable, and alam po dun sa, parang ginawa po namin sa Black Rider before. So super important sa amin to give the people entertainment and information every night po. Yan po.
And to follow through lang, but what was in Iloilo? Bakit gusto niyo itong ma-highlight?
Kasi po, ako po personally, mahilig ako sa pachoy. So, nung ginagawa po namin to, nag-isip kami na, ano kaya yung magandang show na gawin natin, na regional naman. So, yun po. And kaya po, malaking part ng story po is umikot din sa Machoya ni na tata po.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat din po.
And yung last question ko for Jillian and Michael. As first-timer na mag-air, how was it working with the chemistry? How was your first day together? And then, may difficulties ba in translating the kilig through the television?
Sige. It's a good question po. Actually, the show was brought up recently, last year lang po, and everything started very fast. Jillian and I shared a workshop together with Tita Ann, and that's where we really got to work on our relationship work. I mean, at first, rom-com is light lang, but I think that's where the challenge is. Talagang lahat ng genre, lahat ng work in this industry, you really have to be serious and put in work, because chemistry was no joke for me and Jillian. There's times na nahihirapan talaga kami. I mean, it's our first time, and it's Jillian's first time having a partner. It's my first time rin being paired with her. So there's times na parang nailang kami sa isa't isa. But we worked through it po together, and I think that's what's important, because like yung titigan, we recently were able to maintain eye contact for more than 5 seconds without laughing. So masaya po kami dun, and we're proud of each other siguro kasi nga this has been a challenge for us, and seeing the sneak peek, na-excite lang kami.
Yes, tama. So actually po, nung mga unang araw na naka-work ko si Michael for my Ilonggo Girl, sobrang ano po, as in, basta nagtititigan po kami, tumatawa kami. So si Direk, ayan, medyo ano na po, nalulungkot na si Direk sa amin kasi
Papaluin na ni Direk.
hindi namin matapos po yung eksena. So talagang inaral po namin recently na sabi namin, kailangan magtitigan tayo na malapit na hindi tayo tumatawa. So ayun po, pinapractice naman po namin talagang ayan, si Michael, talaga nag-effort din po siya talaga na to make us comfortable. Ako especially, nafe-feel ko na talagang grabe po yung effort ni Michael to make me feel comfortable. Kasi nga po, first time ko din mag-rom-com talaga. I mean, nagkaroon din po ako ng mga parang kilig scenes sa aking ibang shows. Pero ito po yung talagang serious rom-com show ko. So, sobrang naka-help po sa akin na talagang magaan po ka-work si Michael, and nag-e-effort po siya na kausapin ako to make me feel comfortable. So, salamat po. Chikalas! Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Albert Abelito. Great tayo ng batchoy.